On this week's edition of the Business Review, TVJ's Andrew Laidley takes a closer look at Virtude's company, a Jamaican-based hemp firm looking to intensify developments in Jamaica's medical ganja industry.
Virtudes, which was registered in February this year, has already broken ground on its first licensed hemp farm in Westmoreland, Jamaica. The company produces byproducts including hemp flour and CBD oils to both local and international health and wellness product manufacturers. And already stakeholders are anxious about the jobs which will be created on the farm.
It will also prevent the youth from leaving Darliston, this is what, Bigwood, leaving Bigwood to go to Montego Bay and Kingston, because you will be gainfully employed.
And that's just the beginning. Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw says he expects more.
Large greenhouses are going to be established, where it is in the greenhouses that the hemp is going to be produced.
And since the hemp business is relatively new, Mr. Shaw says specific policy decisions are being made to facilitate growth in that particular sector.
We are establishing also protocols that relate to a 4 to 10 miles buffer between a medicinal hemp site and a formal ganja cultivation site. This methodology is used across the United States and in other jurisdictions.
And as medical hemp gains popularity in Jamaica, there are strategic plans to ensure that more Jamaican byproducts end up on the international market.
There are major companies now that have set up in Jamaica that are importing all of their CBD oil, and it is selling like hotcakes all across Jamaica. So just like we have the best ganja in the world, we can't call it cannabis or marijuana. We have to call it ganja, right? So we have the best ganja in the world. Guess what? We are also going to have the best medicinal hemp oil in the world as well.
With over $1 million invested, Virtudes expects to have its first crop of hemp reaped from their over 113 acreage farm by March 2020. In 2017, the hemp industry was valued at more than $820 million. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.